Hey, I hope you're having an incredible day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to cancel appointments through cal.com. So this is a video that a lot of people have been asking me for. And so you can see it's a really simple workflow. We get that booking that they're looking to cancel, and then we go ahead, we make that cancel, and we send the response back to Retell, knowing that it's been canceled. If you look at my calendar right now, I have this sample meeting set up for Friday the 21st. And so we're going to call this AI and we're going to cancel the appointment.
See today.
Hi, I'm just looking to cancel my appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your email address?
Yeah, my email address is...
Just to confirm, your email address is correct?
Yeah.
Could you also let me know the reason for canceling your appointment?
Yeah, I'm just feeling really under the weather and I don't think it's a good idea to attend.
Your appointment has been successfully canceled. I hope you feel better soon. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Nope, that's it. Thanks for all your help today.
You're very welcome. Take care and feel better soon. Have a great day.
So you can see that I successfully canceled the appointment. I'll now receive a confirmation email letting me know that this appointment has been canceled. And so this agent, as well as this workflow, will be included in the No Code Nation. We're almost at 1,000 members, going strong. We'll be in the classroom. So looking forward to seeing you in there and seeing you contribute. And with that being said, let's dive right into how you can do this. Okay, so to do this, first we're going to have to set up a new function. We're going to call this the cancel appointment function. So we're going to say use this tool to cancel calls. Now we're going to hop into N8N. In N8N, we are first going to add in a webhook and we're going to set it to a post request, and we can just copy the test URL. We can paste it in right here. And so if we come into the Cal API documentation, you'll see that in order to cancel that booking, we need the booking UID. And so first we're going to have to get all the bookings, and you can see here, we can filter for only upcoming events by the attendee's email. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll copy this and we can head into here. We'll add in an HTTP request. Now it's going to be a GET request. You're going to put in your API or this URL right here. And then we're going to turn on send query parameters, set the status to upcoming, the attendee email we will be passing dynamically. And then you need the Cal API version set to 2024 0813, and then one more header, which is authorization, and then bearer and your API key, which you're going to get from cal.com. So since we need the attendee email, we're going to add that to our parameters in the cancel appointment, where you can see right here what's required, the attendee email. From there, we're going to go ahead and hit save. So we're making it really simple, guys, for this one, just to show you the capabilities here, but your job is to cancel appointments. We're going to ask for the customer's email, repeat it back to them for confirmation. And then once it's confirmed, we're going to run the cancel appointment tool. So now we can go ahead and test this right now. So we're saying, hey, I'd like to cancel my appointment. Can you provide me with your email address? Now we're going to come in here and we're going to test this step so we get some data in there. So repeated it back to me. I said yes. Now our webhook has successfully fired and we can pin this data. And now in our GET request, we'll replace the attendee email with the attendee email in the argument section. And so now if we were to run this step, I went ahead and made a fake booking on Thursday at noon. So when we test this step, you can see that we get all of the data that's pulled back. Now we have access to this UID, which we're going to use in the next step. So now that we've gotten this booking, the next thing that we need to do is cancel that booking. So same thing, we're going to copy this endpoint. We're going to switch this to a post request. Now this booking UID, it switches for this UID right here. So we'll just drag it in just like that. Now we're also going to need the same two headers, right? So the Cal API version, we're going to need that. And we're also going to need a cancellation reason. So we'll turn on send headers. We'll copy the Cal API version. That's going to be 2024 0813. And in the body, we'll need this cancellation reason right here. So we can just copy this. We'll head back into our HTTP request. We'll turn on send body. We'll put the name to cancellation reason. And now the value, we're actually going to adjust in Retell. So we'll head back into Retell. Under cancel appointments, right now we have attendee email. We're also going to add cancellation reason. So now if we test it again, we say, hey, this is my email. It's also now going to ask for the reason we're canceling our appointment. So we'll go and we'll test this step again and we'll say, I'm feeling sick. So now our webhook is going to fire. We should see that the results came through and we now have the cancellation reason as well. So now in this last step under cancellation reason, we can actually test this next step first. Now, if we pop into here and we scroll down to the bottom, we can drag in this cancellation reason. And now when we go to test the step, you'll see that it was a success and the meeting was actually canceled. And then lastly, we would have a webhook respond to webhook node. We could put it with text and we can say meeting was successfully canceled. And we'll change this webhook to using respond to webhook node. We'll switch this into production, copy this, head back into Retell, and now we'll add in our production URL, we'll update it. And now we've successfully created our workflow to be able to cancel appointments in cal.com. So hope you got immense value out of this. It will be in the classroom. And if you did, please consider dropping a subscribe. It's free, help support the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.